Hi guys, hope everybody's doing great. So today I wanted to teach you how to add products to your Clickfunnels sales page, okay? A lot of people have been asking this question, so I just wanted to dig in and show everybody a step-by-step solution on how to add your products to your funnel and also the pricing within it. All right, so let's dig right in. So as you can see, we have the first step of the funnel, which is our sales page. So number one, we are going to go into our product section and then we are going to add a new product. So we'll click the add sign over here where it says add product. We click on the integration for your payment. In this case, it's Stripe for myself. You can have a PayPal account. I have Stripe. So click on Stripe, go down. In this occasion, we're selling the item for one time, so we select one time, we keep going down and we click save and next. All right, now we name our product. In this case, we're gonna call this PC bundle, and we're gonna give it a price of, let's go for $9.97. It'll be in USD dollars. This you can have like a price override. I rarely use this. I don't even know why they have it. I haven't tested it yet. Some other people might know how to do it. But in my case, I leave it by itself. Now, is this a bump product? This is not a bump product. This is the main product that we're adding. All right. So then we set our limits. Let's say we have a stock quantity of 50. So we tell it 50. We leave pre-sold quantity at 0. We don't want to mess with that right now. We click save and next. Now enable fulfillment email. This when we enable it, it will send an email to your customers when they finish their purchase. For example, maybe a thank you email or something like that. In my case, I have it locked into my autoresponder, but most people will put here, thank you for your purchase. And then just a random note here. Hello. Thank you very much for your purchase. You will be receiving tracking information soon. This is just an example, so we'll be receiving. All right, we go down. Thank you page or membership page. In this case, we are not jumping to the thank you page, okay? So in this case, as you can see, there's other steps of funnels that I have in here. And after they purchase, you might take them here, but I don't want to do that right now. So I want to click save and next. And now a follow-up action is basically like their own autoresponder that Clickfunnels has within the system. So in my case, I use ActiveCampaign. Some people want to use the one that's integrated with Clickfunnels, and they call it follow-up action. So basically, after you have the purchase and everything, you can trigger a series of events or emails that will be sent to the customer within Clickfunnels. So I do not have this feature, so I'm going to click save and next. And shipping. So is it a physical product? Now, because we're gonna be fulfilling this manually from another system, let's say an Amazon store or our own warehouse, I usually leave this unchecked, because otherwise we can integrate into another system that I haven't messed with yet. So because we are doing it manually, we uncheck that and we click save and next. Now it gives us a little summary of what we did. Return to product list, and we have the PC bundle. Now within our funnel, if we come over here to overview, and let's say after they bundle the product, they enter all their shipping information, and let's say we have a little order bump at the bottom to add an extra item. I'll show you right now what you guys need to do in order to add that little order bump in there. So first of all, let's see the page so you guys have an idea of what I'm talking about. Okay, we have our funnel here. And on the second step of the process in here, you guys are going to see the order bump right here. This is the order bump. So in order to add that product here, we need to go back into our editor or our main platform. And we're gonna go to products again inside this funnel step. And we're gonna add a product. Again, select Stripe for your payment. It's a one-time. Save and next. Now this would be we're gonna call it order bump so you guys can understand it. And let's say it'll sell for $97. And now all we do is select this button here and we tell it it's a bump product. Save and next. You can also check your quantity in there. No fulfillment email. Save and next. Save and next. Shipping again, manual, save and next. And now it's telling us that it's a bump product. So now when you're in the funnel and people set up their or input their shipping information and they click next to put their credit card, now that little $97 product is going to appear at the bottom. So as you can see, I have my PC bundle for $9.97 and my order bump for $97. Now you got to do this for every step of the funnel. So for example, if I have an upsell on the next step of the funnel, right? Let's go to gamer upsell number 1. Click on this tab here. And we're gonna do the exact same process. So as soon as it loads, so in this case, let's see what we're selling here. Okay, so we're ordering like a second bundle. We're ordering a camera and a hard drive. All right, so in order to add those two items, we're gonna sell it as one item within our funnel. I'll show you guys how. So we do the same thing we did at the top. We go to products, add a product, select our integration. It's gonna be a one-time. I'm gonna name it upsell bundle. I'm gonna sell it for, let's say, $2.97. And then it's not a bump product. Again, you can leave the quantities as least or as many as you want. Save and next. And we're gonna follow the same steps we did with the first step of the funnel. And then we have our product summary. And then you repeat the exact same process with gamer upsell number 2 or your next step of the funnel. As you can see, it's $2.97 here. So what this is telling the system, it's also telling our payment information, how much we're selling the item. So all those transactions are recorded within the Clickfunnels systems, and also it's connected to our Stripe or PayPal account. So hope you guys like the video and let me know if you have any questions. See you in the next one.